back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Life in Favor by John P. Key. This song is going to be in the key of C sharp, D flat. It's actually a very simple song as there's only two progressions in this whole song, and we're going to do a key change in the very end. So let's start off with the intro. Okay, so it's very simple. Starting off on D flat, I'm going to play this D flat melody line up here to C, to D flat, to B flat minor 7, to F sharp major 7, then a D flat over F, and I like to add the second of D flat to make it a D flat 2 over F. Then we're going to play E flat minor 7. Then we're going to play an altered dominant chord on the 3, which is F. So that's going to be an F7 sharp 9 sharp 5. And then we start the first verse. You don't know my story. You don't know the things that I've gone through. That's going to be most of the song actually. So you're going to be playing a B flat minor 7, or you can put the minor 9 in there. And I like to play the melody on top. A flat minor 7, D flat 9, to F sharp major 9, C minor 7 flat 5, to F7, to B flat minor. Da 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 da. It just loops. Da 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 da. You cannot imagine strongholds and the walls that sever. Okay. Da 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 da. Ba 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 da da da. I was at my lowest. You just keep looping until you get here. Deliverance is my testimony. You don't know my story. It'll blow your mind. You don't know my story. Okay, so let's go back to. So when you're going to say, deliverance is my F minor 7 flat 5, testimony. So you can play a B flat 7 there, or B flat 7 flat 9. And then you're going to go to, you don't know my story. So that's an E flat minor 7, D flat over F, A flat 9 sus4, my story. Then you can go to a D flat 6 9, to an F 9 sus4, B flat 9 sus4, so B flat 7 flat 9. You don't know my story. Okay, then to the bridge. And the blood you shed. Okay, so for the chords for the bridge, you're going to be playing Through My Testimony. You're going to be playing an F sharp, then an A flat over F sharp, and the blood you shed to a D flat over F, to E flat, D flat over F, E flat over G, to A flat, and A flat, E flat minor 7, A flat over C, F sharp over D flat. Alright, same thing. Love and peace, grace and mercy, love and peace abound, and you have found. Okay, same thing. And then this time, after you're going to go to a B to a B flat 7, and then E flat, D flat over F, to A flat 9 sus4. My story, then the chorus at the end. I'm delivered, here's my story, life and favor upon me, he brought me out. Very simple. It's a 1 to a 6 to a 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. B flat minor 7, F sharp, D flat over F, E flat minor 7, A flat to D flat. And then they're going to do a quick key change and modulation. We're going to go to a B flat 9 sus4, which is the 5 of E flat. Now we're going to play the chorus in the key of E flat. Here's my story, life and favor upon me, he brought me out. Can't tell it, let me tell it. Very simple. E flat, C minor 7, A flat major 7, G minor 7, F minor, B flat 9, to C minor, to G minor. And that's the whole song. Thank you guys so much. Please like and subscribe. Hey, and if you want me to cover a song of your choice and put a tutorial up, please send in a donation. There's links in my bio. And thanks again, and I will be back with some more soon. Take care.